Sarah, I got the official confirmation. Tokyo project lead. It's mine.
I heard. Congratulations.
You don't look happy for me. What's going on?
Coffee tastes a little bitter today.
It's not the coffee.
No.
Then what is it?
I kept telling myself I was fine, but I spent 6 months building the entire database for this project. Every Friday you left at 5, I was still here.
I didn't realize it was that much.
Yeah, and that's exactly it. It's resentful, Leo, not just bitter. I did the work, and it didn't count.
So you're just angry at me?
It's past angry. This has happened before. Different project, same result. When nothing changes, you stop expecting it to. You get embittered. It's not even about you anymore.
Sarah.
I've started believing effort isn't what actually gets you ahead here. That's not dramatic. It's cynical. And I hate that I'm even there.
I had no idea you felt this way.
I know you didn't. But right now this conversation is getting tense. And I don't want to say something I can't take back.
No, say it. I want to hear it.
Because when it stops being a conversation and starts doing damage, that's acrimonious. I don't want us to go there.
We won't, I promise.
Then don't tell me it's just a job. Because what comes after that? That's vitriolic. You don't come back from it.
I'm sorry. I really should have seen what you were carrying.
Yeah, you should have.
Can we talk properly? Not here.
Not over this coffee.
Today, we looked at bitter and 5 more specific ways to say it. Bitter, just the surface. Sarah hid it behind the coffee. Resentful, bitter with a reason. You don't feel it in general, you feel it about something specific. Embittered, the same wound reopened too many times. The hope quietly runs out. Cynical, it stops being about one person. You stop trusting the whole system. Acrimonious, when it spills between 2 people and both sides leave worse off. Vitriolic, the point of no return. She didn't say it to him. She warned him it was coming. Start with bitter. Then ask, which one is it really? Because the more specific you are, the more people actually understand what you mean.